anyways, hello to our viewers. Today we are taking you guys on July the 4th to view the fireworks. We'll do the Los Angeles special flight rules and then continue down south all the way to northern San Francisco. There are some TFRs in the area, so we really cannot fly under the, San Diego, Bravo. But around Oceanside, and then we're going to turn inland and then fly towards Riverside and then Ontario, and then back to Van Nuys. We'll capture, hopefully, amazing views of the fireworks.
Definitely.
Yes. So
we're celebrating with you guys.
We are. What we're going to do is do our takeoff brief. Right now we are on heading 084. To our right is heading 163, and that confirms with our assigned runway 16 right. If you have any anomalies on takeoff roll, anything funny going on, I'm just going to stop the airplane on the runway. Up to 600 feet, I'm just going to land straight back on runway 16 right. Between 600 and 2000, I am immediately pulling caps. Above 2000 feet, if you have an engine failure, I will attempt to do a 180 degree and land on runway 34 left or 34 right. Otherwise, I'll look for a suitable place to land. Otherwise, I am pulling caps. We're doing a straight out departure right now, and our takeoff speed is 75. At 85, I'm going to retract the flaps and level at 2800. Once we are clear of this Burbank airspace over here, then I can climb to 3500, still straight to Santa Monica. Once we intercept Santa Monica VOR, then I'll turn heading 132. Let me just double check the frequency documents. And the frequency 128.55 and VFR checkpoints are recommended for the exchange of information between pilots using this area. Van Nuys Tower, happy 4th, November 218 Juliet Sierra, runway 16 right, full length, and we are doing the Los Angeles special flight rules, requesting straight out departure, please.
420 Juliet Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, good evening, happy 4th, squawk 1201, straight out, running 16 right, clear for takeoff.
1000, 1000, 1000, takeoff power set, we have a good engine. 55 cross check. Checklist. Full power climb.
Juliet Sierra, frequency change approved, good flight.
Thank you, have a good evening, Juliet Sierra. Now he gave us a frequency change. Flaps are up, yes. Mixture, lean. Fuel pump as required, and crew and climb checklist is complete. Okay, coming up on 2800, so now I'm gonna level off. And we just passed. Let's go 3500. Mixture full rich and power lever full forward, and now we can climb to 3500. We are already above the Santa Monica Bravo. There it is, we just intercepted radio 132. Los Angeles special flight rules, November 218 Juliet Sierra is over, Santa Monica VOR heading south, 3500, Los Angeles special flight rules. Special flight rules, November 218 Juliet Sierra 3500 heading southbound over Ballona Creek, Los Angeles special flight rules. Los Angeles special flight rules, November 218 Juliet Sierra is over the north runways of Los Angeles International Airport, 3500 heading southbound, Los Angeles special flight rules. Los Angeles special flight rules, November 218 Juliet Sierra, just past Imperial Highway, heading southbound 3500. This will be the last call, and we will climb to 4500. Los Angeles special flight rules, happy 4th of July. Okay, mixture's full rich, boost pump is on, and we're gonna bug 3 to 4500. SoCal, good evening, happy 4th of July, November 218 Juliet Sierra with a VFR request, please.
November 218 Juliet Sierra, SoCal, first go ahead.
Yes, we are Cirrus SR20 Slant Golf. We just exited the Los Angeles Special Flight Rules heading southbound. We wanted to fly along the shore and then around Oceanside we were going to turn back towards Van Nuys, if that's okay with you, November 218 Juliet Sierra.
November 218 Juliet Sierra, squawk 0255.
0255 Juliet Sierra. So now we can go to K2.
218 Juliet Sierra, roger. You're in a contact 6 miles west of Long Beach. Sorry, you said you're climbing to 5500 and you're going to land at Oceanside, correct?
No, at Oceanside we're going to turn back towards Van Nuys.
November 8 Juliet Sierra, sounds good. You're climbing to 5500.
4,500 until we are clear of this Bravo shelf, and then 5,500 Juliet Sierra.
November 8 Juliet Sierra, you're cleared to the Los Angeles Cross Bravo airspace, climbing to 5,500.
Thank you so much. First time I ever hear that, Juliet Sierra.
That's a 176.
We're clear to the Bravo, guys.
You land at your discretion.
Actually, it's not the first time. Second time I got a Bravo clearance in Salt Lake.
November 249 Charlie Tango, 6 at approach, Charlie's current, and what's your requested runway?
That's Long Beach over there. It's gorgeous.
Gulfstream 8 Golf Lima, Long Beach Air, 119.4. Cirrus 8 Juliet Sierra, contact approach on 128.1.
128.1, have a good evening, Juliet Sierra.
You too.
Approach, happy 4th of July, good evening, November 218 Juliet Sierra, level 5,000.
November 218 Juliet Sierra, SoCal approach, happy 4th of July, altimeter 3000.
I hope you guys are enjoying this flight, and if you are, you definitely should subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more interesting stuff coming on our YouTube channel.
When you watch yourself later on, you find errors or...
Yes, of course. All the time. I usually, I do find errors, but many times I find also the errors while flying. Like after the flight, I go like, yeah, maybe this wasn't the best, that wasn't the best. I learn so much from flying. Is just a constant learning experience. See, this is the restricted area, we're gonna fly through it. But he said it's active up to 2,000 feet, so as long as we are above 2,000, which we are, then we are clear for the restricted area.
Why is below 2,000 restricted?
They're doing military training.
Of course.
Juliet Sierra, contact approach on 132.2 and let them know what you're doing. Have a good day.
132.2, have a good evening, Juliet Sierra. Approach, happy 4th of July. Good evening, November 218 Juliet Sierra, 5,800, climbing 6,500.
218 Juliet Sierra, SoCal first, thank you. And are you going to fly inland after French Valley, or are you going to go towards the coast?
After French Valley, we're going to go to Nickel intersection, Riverside, Ontario, and then fly westbound towards Santa Fe Flood Basin and then Van Nuys.
Juliet
There's
Sierra,
something-
climb to maintain VFR 7,500.
7,500 Juliet Sierra.
To call Cessna 290 Echo, kind of lost at 3,500. Please give me a vocal, please.
00 Echo, unable VFR flight following.
No, I was kind of lost. Give me a vocal.
00 Echo, connect approach 121.3. They'll be able to help you out.
121.3, 90 Echo.
20 Juliet Sierra, requesting 4,500 please.
Juliet Sierra, VFR descent to 45 approved.
Approach happy 4th, November 20 Juliet Sierra, 5,400, descending 4,500.
Number 218, Juliet Sierra, SoCal Post. Good evening, Burbank, altimeter 3004, and happy 4th to you.
Burbank Tower, happy 4th, November 20 Juliet Sierra, 4,400, from positioning through for Van Nuys, please.
Number 218 Juliet Sierra, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 3004, and continue westbound for now, maintain at 4,000.
Westbound 4,000 Juliet Sierra. Still descent checklist.
Approach and use visual approach.
Descent checklist, altimeter is set, cabin heat and defrost, we are good. Landing light is on.
In A1 close.
Mixture as required, brake pressure test,
Left hand
and descent checklist is complete. Next will be our before landing checklist.
7. Taxiway Quebec between 16 right 34 left hand Bravo close.
Number 8 Juliet Sierra, radar service terminated, keep the code, contact Van Nuys Tower. 1, 3.
Happy 4th of July, November 20 Juliet Sierra.
You too.
Van Nuys Tower, November 218 Juliet Sierra with Charlie, requesting full stop please.
218 Juliet Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, left traffic, runway 16 right.
Left traffic, runway 16 right, 218 Juliet Sierra.
Air 5 Delta Alpha, alright, tell you what sir, make left traffic, follow the 45 for northbound. I got 5 Delta Alpha, roger. There are a lot of fireworks going off just north of the field. If you want to keep it high until you get established over the running, that is approved. You're number 1, wind 0804, runway 16 right, clear to land. I'll get you over to Signature West once we get you on the ground. Viper 7908, lots of fireworks north of the field. You can keep it high for your approach. The entire runway is open, full length, so when you begin your descent, that's your discretion. Number 2, following a helicopter downwind east midfield. Runway 16 right, clear to land. 8, Juliet Sierra, turn right, high speed, mic contact ground 112.7. Y'all take care.
Happy 4th of July, sir. Good evening, Juliet Sierra. Ground, happy 4th of July, November 218 Juliet Sierra at Mike high speed, Mach 1 please.
18 Juliet Sierra, Van Nuys ground, give way to traffic, head to the left, or headed to the right, passing from right to left, and taxi parking B Alpha, happy 4th of July.
Thank you, sir. Taking now right to Mach 1. Good night, Juliet Sierra.
Ground 6 Mike is holding short of Charlie, has runway 16 right.
Alright guys, we did it. I hope you guys enjoyed the flight.
Charlie, right?
Did you enjoy it?
It was amazing.
Yes, it was. And yeah. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have something to say, please share it in the comments. See you guys soon.